Hi, guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, you will learn how to make login form with ChatGPT. This login form is created by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model that has been trained to generate human-like text. It was developed by OpenAI and can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text generation. Now go to Google and search openai.com. Click on Try. A new tab will open. And sign up with some details like email, name, and phone number. After sign up, you will come to this page. And here we can write our question. I will write make modern login form with login text at the top and add a shadow using HTML and CSS. Now it will create the HTML and CSS code for us. Now copy the HTML code and paste it into the HTML file. Now copy the CSS code and paste it into the CSS file. In the CSS file, I have already written some code here. Open code with Google Chrome. Now we will center our login form. And here change the margin top into the margin. And give margin top 20px to the H1 tag. Now check the output. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.